Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, 30 people were detained today during a major police military operation in Lennox, Big Woods, Westmoreland.
2 illegal guns, including a high-powered rifle, were seized in the operation.
Now we have more in this report.
When police and the soldiers swooped down on a number of properties in Lennox, Big Woods in Westmoreland, residents were surprised.
And if you scare, I have nothing to scare with.
Thursday's operation comes on the heels of increased gang activities in the area. Communities like Darliston, among others, have been plagued by several robberies and shootings over the last few weeks.
About 7 o'clock, while conducting checks, 2 firearms and assorted rounds of ammunition were found. Approximately 30 persons were detained, and we will be taking them through the paces to sift through, find out if we have among us wanted persons.
According to the police, the seizure points to the type of weapons the criminals have in their possession, which they use to drive fear into residents.
What we have here is a very unique rifle. It is a PA-15 7.62 caliber rifle. It fires the same ammunition as the Kalashnikov AK-47 rifle, and it carries a magazine capacity of 30 rounds. Now these are the 7.62 caliber rounds that this weapon fires. You can only imagine the damage that a bullet of this caliber can cause to the human body.
A resident of Lennox Big Woods who did not wish to appear on camera told us he's been living in fear.
I have a friend down the road here. He have a little place, so we go down there and play dominoes. You see at 7 o'clock at night time I worship. As me hear a car come, me dive bang. When you pass now, I make sure say, you see that hill there? And next car don't pass, me reach my yard.
The security forces have surmised that migrating criminals have been seeking refuge in rural communities.
I would like to use this medium to appeal to the public. Whenever you see strange people in your communities, reach out to the police. Let us know what is happening. You'll never know who you're harboring as your neighbor.
Jamaica Maitland for TVJ News.